Today for the Bitcoin price with DAVINCIJ15. Guys, this is a quick episode here on the go because I have to announce something very interesting. DAVINCIJ15 today wants to show us his new updated strategy because he is planning to sell his Bitcoin, believe it or not, the Bitcoin OG, because of a very specific reason. He wants to go into altcoins. We will tell you not only exactly what specific altcoins he is buying, why he is buying it, and also his exact game plan for Bitcoin right now in the immediate short term. Wait here until the very end. I can promise you one thing already. This is a very jam-packed episode. It is a quick one, so therefore you really have to wait until the end where we are going to drop the specific altcoins and his strategy as well. So make sure you take a seat, make sure you sit down, you scroll down, and you smash up the like button if you want more of these additional live videos in the future. And with that being said, I really want to come to the most important question of today, by far. DAVINCIJ15, how are you doing today, my man?
In the putt, 5 by 5, man. It's great to be here in Dubai. It's my last day. Actually, I'm heading back to Chile tomorrow morning, unfortunately. But I definitely will be coming back here.
Look at this view. I mean, obviously.
Yeah, duh.
Exactly. But I mean, many people will be coming in this video and they will be asking, Da Vinci, you are the #1 Bitcoin OG. You are preaching Bitcoin since 2011. And why are you selling your Bitcoin right now? What are you buying for the Bitcoin you are actually saying in the first place? And also, why are you doing that? So maybe we start a little bit with that question, and I also wanted to pick up your brain on the question whether we are going to reach the all-time high or not. Wait until the end. But first of all, why are you selling your Bitcoin?
Well, I learned this strategy called the Little Lady strategy from Brian Beamish of The Rational Investor. And ever since I learned this strategy, it's really changed my life. I actually started off with just a small amount of money in this strategy where I'd buy altcoins. And I'd buy all kinds of altcoins, even like the altcoins, right? I'd buy those as well. And I've even had this one altcoin, it was all called Titcoin. And I made a lot of money. In fact,
horrible name.
I know, exactly.
Actually, beautiful name.
Actually, if you search it on YouTube, you'll laugh your head off when you watch the video about Titcoin. It's very funny. But anyways, it had zero fundamentals, right? But that coin made me a lot of money. And through this process, it's called the Little Lady strategy, where you just buy stuff really low. And it's really, I have some instructional videos if you're interested in doing that, learning how to do it, at www.davincicodes.net/videos. And basically you buy low and then you sell half on a double, and that's it. And these coins, they go up and down like a horse drawer. So you can easily see where you can make a lot of money on the way up. So for example, even Hex, right? Because of the volatile nature of these coins, right? You can make a lot of money, and you don't have to like worry about losing your money on this, because chances are, because you're only going to put in a small percentage, like anywhere from between. I don't when it's a risky coin, I never go over 2%. Never. I start with slowly scaling in at 0.5, 0.25%. And then if the price goes lower, I'll add more. And then if it goes to double, right, I sell half. And that's all it is. That's my strategy. It works very well because I went from $20,000 to $10 million just doing that strategy. Yeah. It's unbelievable.
Think about that, guys. He put in, just out of fun, 2015, $20,000 in altcoins. He made 10 million with that. And then, of course, he was mining Bitcoin and all of these things on the sidelines. The altcoins were just like a small hobby of yours, right?
Exactly.
So what I am thinking right now, how I interpret that, you want to say with this recent DeFi bubble pop or massive retracement, you think that the altcoins are likely to be at least close to bottoming out? You want to scale into altcoins and you want to get out of them, of course, also ASAP, selling half at a double. And your primary purpose of that is, of course, only to maximize Bitcoin.
Exactly.
I wanted to, before I go to another question and also whatever you want to mention, I wanted to also give a warning. So if you are holding Bitcoin out there, I will be going into altcoins. I will be buying altcoins to maximize my Bitcoin. I'm personally not going an extreme strategy like this, but I think just judging from the past, you will be successful with it because you were so many times successful with it. For me, just I love my Bitcoin too much, so I will hold on most of my Bitcoin for that, of
Understandable.
course. Just beautiful. Anyway, but you have to find your own strategy, and you have to understand that every money invested in Bitcoin or in altcoins more likely, in Bitcoin also, you have to take it as risk capital, and you should only put in what you are willing to lose. Because if you put in the rent of your family, if you put in what you need next month for food, this is not a good strategy, guys, because Bitcoin is a long term. This I wanted to say. I want to also know, and guys, please, everyone smash up the like button if you appreciate these very, very special episodes on the go. In addition to the other videos, smash up the like button right now. I wanted to know from, especially because everyone is probably interested, what specific altcoins are you eyeing? I could imagine Ethereum is in the selection. Do you also have some other ones? You can maybe give us a breakdown, how many percentage in Ethereum and so on. And everyone watching, maybe you leave your favorite altcoins right now here in the comment section, whether it's live or not. Leave them here right now, make the comment section explode, and please share the video because we need those black backlinks for the algorithm. So Da Vinci, what altcoins are you eyeing for your strategy?
Well, I have well over 200 altcoins in my strategy, and it's crazy. It sounds crazy, but you know, I have a little bit of everything. I even have XRP. Don't hate, right? Because I don't. You know what? I believe in this saying, right? Don't hate it, don't date it, just trade it, right? So I also, you know what? I really think this is the time to start loading up on the altcoins because we're going into what's called tax loss selling season, and that's when people take their losses, right, on assets that have not done very, very well, because they get to write that off against their winnings on the assets that has done very well. So you'll find that a lot of altcoins will dip in the December timeframe, and so that's where you're gonna get some serious deals on all the different coins like DOT, Link, Cody, all those coins that you guys are mentioning there. You'll get them on an extreme discount, right? Not every single coin will go lower in December, but the majority will.
Interesting. So you are actually selling a big part of your Bitcoin going into altcoins. You are already holding altcoins, but now you're lowering your cost average. And then in the end of the day, so don't misunderstand that he is a Bitcoin OG. He is scaling back into Bitcoin, of course.
Exactly. I don't sell half on a double price in dollars. I sell it in Bitcoin.
Exactly, because in dollars it makes no sense. If Bitcoin doubles, you didn't get any more Bitcoin, right? Exactly. I mean, who wants to double their US dollar? I mean, it makes no sense.
None.
In 10 years, you cannot buy anything from it.
Exactly.
So this is his strategy right now, and I think it might be a very good one, judging from the history. I mean, turning 20K into 10 million in 2017 was a very nice thing. If you would have put your whole portfolio, it would be completely insane, probably.
Exactly.
So, yeah, very interesting. I have a lot of people here commenting VeChain, Cardano, Coty, and so on. We will be covering maybe some TA on them because they were dumping like crazy. And as you remember, just a few months ago, we were covering, wow, double bottom here, W here and there. And like most of these calls were actually very nice. And afterwards, this massive bubble arose. We want to talk about that again because the moment when everyone and their mother is going to bash altcoins, this might be the moment where we are probably at least close to the altcoins bottoming out. And the moment when it's uncomfortable talking about altcoins on YouTube is probably the moment you should start talking about altcoins on YouTube. So this is the reason, and wow, it's so many suggestions here. So we have a smart community over there. Thank you so much for that. And guys, really, I wanted to urge you, please smash up the like button. You find also Da Vinci's link down there where he has his free videos about the little old lady strategy. You should check that out for sure. His Pandora's wallet link, and also you find a link here for Bybit down below. If you want to trade, I'm showing my trades here all the time. If you want to be trading on Bybit or Phoenix, I have a $610 bonus down below in the description. If you click this link, you make your own account. Takes a few minutes, like 1 minute or so, and you can get $610 for your first deposit, but you have to be an experienced trader for sure. So maybe you can let me know in the comment section your own game plan. And I wanted to know here, just to wrap it up for today, DaVinci15, what do you think? Can we hit the all-time high for Bitcoin this year? Do you think it is likely? When do you think it is going to happen? And what specific levels we have to hold?
Well, I think it is likely that we could see Bitcoin at 20K this year. I would give it a low probability of like 40% chance.
Low!
But
this is not low.
But yeah, it's probable because there's a lot of billionaires coming into this market, and with the what's it called, derivative markets. If you're smart and you've got a lot of money, you can actually end up profiting from the fact that, hey, you know what, I want to buy this, but I don't want to move the price. Yet, if I buy it with derivatives, it doesn't move the price, and then I could take other cash, I could borrow against my derivative holding, take that cash, move the price higher, then sell my derivatives holding. So if people exactly, because if you know how to do this, right, you're smart enough, and I'm sure these billionaires are. And if they aren't, that's sad if they don't know that.
They will know that.
So sad.
They will know that.
But yeah, you can
George
see.
Soros, if you are watching, watch out.
You can see that it's really easy to get a lot of money from this.
Thank you very much, man. Thank you very much. I am looking forward to this 40% scenario to coming into place. I want Bitcoin at an all-time high. If you want as well, smash up the like button. Thank you so much for so many people joining us. We have to wrap it up already for today, but please share this video with your friends. You know that these backlinks, they help us a lot. They push the algorithm. I truly appreciate everyone here coming to us live, also coming to us after the live episode. Thank you so much for that. And with that being said, I wanted to come to the last words of today. Do you have anything to share, Da Vinci?
Yeah, always play from a position of strength. And do not get wrecked.
Do not get wrecked, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see each other very soon at the next one of MMCrypto. And as always, guys, let me give you a quick roundabout here. Bye-bye.